how to fix login errors on the Epic Games app. Now the Epic Games app can actually be used for various reasons, to download games on your Android or other thing as such. If you're having issues logging into the Epic Games application or your account, there could be a couple of reasons and couple of ways on how you can fix. First, you want to make sure it's not the issue with your Wi-Fi. So if you're using Wi-Fi, you can try to say it's cellular data or vice versa. Then you can also simply go to settings. From settings, if you're on Android, you can simply scroll down to the apps section here. From the apps section over here, you can simply search for Epic Games. Then from here, of course, you can simply scroll to the storage tab, go to clear cache, and also make sure to clear the data. Now what happens over here is that if you are on iPhone, by the way, you want to try to check and offload the app or reinstall the application. Now after you've done that, simply go ahead and then relaunch the Epic Games app. If you're still having issues signing into your account, it could be that your login information could have been incorrect. So we want to make sure that our login information is correct. So we can tap on the gear icon from the top right hand side here, you can see. Also make sure, by the way, you have updated it, so you can tap on auto update right here, and from here you can go ahead and simply select any of the account and check if your login details are correct as well. So I hope that this video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down in the comment section below. As always, thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.